How to see analytics on X, I mean Twitter. By the way, you can follow the exact steps on your phone. So I will just go to the website here. If you're using an application on your phone, then you can just open the X application here. Now here, simply you have to go and open your profile icon. Then on the right side, you will get this option of edit profile. Click on it. Scroll down, you will get this option of edit professional profile. It means that if you want to see the analytics, then you have to convert your account into your professional profile. Let's click on this. Now here it will ask you to choose a category. So here I will choose a category here. Let's say I will just go and choose here dance and nightclub. I will click on save. Now here you can turn this on, show category and profile spotlight here, but you will get this option of switch account type. Now here if you want to go back to personal account in future, you can always allow to do this, and you can always switch to creator account. Now here I will just cancel this up because my account is already a professional account. Now here you have to go and click on more, then you have to go to the ads section here. Automatically you will be redirected to a new page. Now here it will ask you to create your first ad, and this is the analytics which you can see, right? So if you add runner, then you can check out this analytics from here, which I've shown you the method. But if you are a creator, influencer, or just uploading videos and text, right, you want to get reach. So here you have to go and click on edit profile, click on edit professional and switch account. Now you have to switch to creator and click on yes, switch it. So right now we have a creator account right now. Now you can follow the same steps here, go to the ads, and here you will get this. Okay, let me just go back here, click on more and click on ads. Now you will be redirected to the same page here, and here you can just check out your analytics. And here are very important things. For example, if you want to check a post analytics, so for example this is a post here, I will click on the three dots. First of all, you have to open it up and just go and click on the three dots here. Now you can just go and check your view post analytics. Now here it will show how many likes, impression, engagement, and everything, every data which you need, right? It will show up here. That's it.